The first challenge was a big one. It's the primary bedroom and the primary bathroom. So the four of us are gonna go have a walk through all of your spaces and we'll be back with a winning team.
All right.
We'll be back.
Hi, guys.
Rashida and Jake from Philly.
Okay.
And they're going for opulent oasis.
Ooh, cozy already.
Yes.
The goal for them is to feel really high end.
I love the fireplace. Any season you come here, you can appreciate it, right? It's warm.
The headboard is a design feature, a lighting feature, and charging stations.
It's charging.
Maybe you should sit on it.
No, I'm charged up.
Oh, we have wallpaper.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I think bathrooms have fun.
Having the double vanity
Is a
great.
win.
Is a win.
Quality work in there is great. To me, that's opulent. Melissa and Shannon.
Global getaway.
Okay.
Whoa!
What?
Moody.
Ooh, it's like
This
a
has
sexy
such a
vibe.
different feel. Oh, that was your wife that
Did
said
you
that.
just dance? They want to have sort of this universal, global feel to the space.
It feels open and airy, even though it's a dark color. I think that's the headboard.
That is wildly ambitious.
I think it's beautifully done.
Here we go. Whoa.
Oh, whoa.
Completely different.
Oh my goodness. I love it.
Yes!
What?
I love the wallpaper. I'm just gonna close my mouth.
I'm like, wow.
I do like the colors. The quality of work looks really good in here.
It's a departure from the bedroom, actually, but I love it. This would be Camille and Chris.
Yeah. And this is the Riverbank Retreat.
Let's go.
Whoa. They're going for an English country vibe.
Cottage chic.
Cottage. That's
Cottage
yes.
chic.
It's cozy and
cozy.
warm.
I think
This
they're
is like an antique.
disconnected.
Oh,
Oh,
at a vacation property, it's nice to have a TV and you get a little pizzazz. Brown molding was an ambitious strategy for these two. Whoa.
I like it. Feels fresh.
Very nice. I love the detail of the blue tile, and then they kind of carried it around.
what I appreciate here is the little details. The natural rattan. It's a very whimsical bathroom.
Quality work looks great. I'm happy.
This is Holly and Graham. They're a father-daughter duo.
And this is the Heritage Homestead. Okay.
Wow.
They want to have sort of this earthy feel.
It's very comfy in here.
Calming.
Let's start with the headboard first.
It's a
Independent
stained, good
panels.
one-side veneer.
Yeah.
Yes.
Detail-wise, quality work is great.
I like the
Yes.
lighter colors along with the compatible earthy tones.
All I see is the view.
Don't you feel like the view, like it's kind of coming in?
The
Like you kind of
outside's
feel like
coming
it's
in. I
per-
think
yeah.
that's what they were trying to do.
Whoa.
Okay.
Ooh.
I can see they went for the earthy tones. I like the shiplap though.
I
It
do
adds
like it,
some
yeah.
good texture in here. I like the open shelving with that live edge feel to it too.
A beautiful tile that to me fits with the theme of the room.
There can only be one team that wins this challenge. It's gonna be a tough one.
Yes.
Yeah. But we need to pick a winner. We ready to make a decision?
I'm ready.
I think so.